If you happen to be here at Bumda, don't forget to visit the sacred and precious pilgrimage site of Bumda. First and foremost, the beautiful temple perched between the cliff. It's believed that it's blessed by the thousand dragonis. And this ground where the trainer pitch used to be the dancing ground of thousand dragonis. And the sky bar 1, 2, 3 and Guru Padmasambhav's coronet and the thousand dragonis holy water. Those are the pilgrimage sites that you have to visit when you are here at Bumda. Let me not forget to share how Bumda name was derived. Bum means thousand dragonis. Dra means cave, where the thousand dragonis have blessed the temple as well as the cave. So that's why how the name was derived, Bumdra. If I'm wrong or if I'm mistaken, do correct me. Sky Bearer Ditrodamba Beochananebe Chagura Pasego Sky Bearer first Ditrodamba Beochanism to Mare Ananama Bhagavata Manu Bhagavatanama. Very dangerous. And another Shinkam Seru Mabatugi man. Second Sky Bearer Titingipa. They are hosting a prayer flags. Titingipa. Titingipa. Shinkam Seru Mabatugi Iraime Samedi Madim Chimindame. Guru Padmasambhav's coronet or heat or Guru Rinpoche Uja. It's located between the third sky bar and second sky bar. That get a blessing from the Guru Rinpoche's coronet. Guru Rinpoche coronet. This is some third sky bar. Kanto Doja farmers to holy water, or is known as to be the holy water of thousand dragonis.